The title of this book is Wolves by Joy Washington. A lot of you have read this book with me when we did a cold read in my Erla book, sitting at the horseshoe table. Wolves. This is a yellow book. I love that picture. So cute. All right, now remember, some of our yellow books will give us a little circle to give us a clue about what the word is. Okay? Read with me. You can see the wolf. You can see the eyes. You can see the ears. You can see the nose. Those eyes are beautiful. Oh. You can see the teeth. You can see the tongue. You can see the paws. You can see the babies. You can see the water. You can see the grass. You can see the rock. You can see the rabbit. Oh, that's his prey. He's the predator. He's going to eat his food. You can see the bear. Oh, now the wolf is the prey and the bear is the predator. You can see the wolf, and it points to all the body parts. Ear, eye, nose, legs, tail, and paw. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 paws. Here's our power words. You, capital Y at the beginning of a sentence. You can see and the. I can use the first letter sound to match the word to the picture. Teeth, right here. Nose, babies, paws. Wolves.